How to download Minecraft on PS5. So when you're on the home screen of your PlayStation 5 controller, you want to press up on the D-pad or on the left stick to get to the game section. Scroll along to the right hand side where it says search, click X on that. Then in the search bar here, you want to just type in Minecraft, make sure it's spelled correctly. Then it should be the first one that pops up. You're going to want to click on X on that. Right here where it says Minecraft, then you will be able to have two options. You can do a free trial, a download trial there. You can do that, or you can pay for the full game, which is I believe £12.99 in UK currency, but obviously that will be different in whichever currency you are from. Then you'll be able to also get different collections. For instance, you can get like a premium collection. There's a few different other downloads in there. But once you've found the Minecraft that you want, you can go ahead and click on it, click download. It will download. It should take either a few minutes or a few hours depending on your connection. Then you'll be able to use it. Leave a like on the video if it helped and subscribe for more helpful videos.